Alright, in this video we're going to go over how to register for classes here at LCC. First step, from here at the main page, you're going to go to sign in, located at the top. You're going to log in with your TOEIC and password, which of course you should know at this point if you're watching these videos. From here, our home page, you'll recognize this from other videos. You're going to locate the banner tab located right at the top of the screen. You're going to click on that. This is going to take you to Banner Self-Service. From here you have three options. You have personal information, student, and financial aid. Let's take a quick look at them before we get any further. First, we have personal information. Here you can verify and update your phones and addresses, your email, all the information about you as a student that LCC probably needs to know. The third tab over here is financial aid. Here you can view your record, your student account, loans you've taken, a lot of very important things, along with a link to the FAFSA application, which you'll know from financial aid videos is very, very important. Anyway, what we're going to focus on today is the student tab. From here you can see you've got your registration, student records, student account, and your credit card payments. So we're going to look at how to register for classes. So you've got your pre-registration class tasks, and that's, look up classes, verify, a lot of the personal information, check for holds, everything that you need to you should probably do before you register for classes. Make sure LCC's got everything in order for you. After that, down at the bottom, there's Continue to Registration Tasks. You're going to click that. And up here at the top, you'll see these four things. These are the 4 steps you need to complete to get a seat in your classes. So we're going to start here. We're going to add or drop a class. The CRN boxes here, ignore them. Don't. That is a horrible way to look for a class, and it's horrible. So from here, we're going to click on Class Search here in the middle. And we're going to start looking through the desired classes. Normally you'd pick a semester, but at the time of this video, only, I believe, spring is available. So we're going to deal with it. So we're going to go down to Student Development as our demonstration class. You click on Course Search. And we're looking at First Year Experience, the 101 class right here. From here you can just view classes, and you're going to click on View Sections. From there it shows you all the sections. Now, to register, to see if a class is available for registration, under Select, there should be a box that if it's open for registration. NR means it's not available for registration at this point. There's also C, which means the class is full, but someone could drop from it and you could register. So if there's a class that you want to get in but it's full, keep an eye on it. You might get lucky. Moving farther along the right, we've got CMP, that stands for campus. ON stands for online. M is for main. WC stands for West Campus. There's also abbreviations for our East Campus, the Livingston Center in Howell, along with our St. John's location. But anyway, moving on from that. Next we have days. Obviously, if your course is an online course, there's not going to be a specific day that the class is held. You have M for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, W for Wednesday, R is for Thursday, F is for Friday, and S is for Saturday. From that, there's the times the class are held. Over here far on the right are the dates the class is held. Some classes are only 8 weeks long, maybe the first 8 weeks, maybe the last 8 weeks, or the full 16 of a semester. You got to pay attention to that so you know when your schedule is. You might wind up having only 2 classes for part of a semester and then go to 3. And then a more in-depth look at location, as into what building number it is. This is all very good stuff to know. Alright, here's a look at your classes after you've selected them. Normally at the beginning of a semester there'll be a little thing called action right here where you can drop a class or change what you're enrolled for. Normally, right now we can't do that. So what we have here is a breakdown of what a class would be, what it would look like. Like here we have Video Post-Production 1, the subject it is, the course number, the CRN for it, and how many credits you're going to get for it. That's important. Now if you're done here, after this you can go down to Continue to Student Class Schedule, and here's where you can get a real breakdown of where you're going to see all your classes. Good time to print it out right now, because this is what you can submit for ID or just to have on hand. Breakdown of where it is, what time it is, what days you meet, everything you need to know. And if you're done here, at this point, you're going to go into tuitions and fees. Alright, here's the page where it gives you a breakdown of what you owe for a semester. Nice and simple. You can see what you owe at a certain point. For 12 credit hours, this is what you would see. more or less. Alright, at this point we're going to go on to step 4, select payment options. Normally, right up in here, you would see the due dates for the semester. At this point there are no due dates. And here you can select your payment plan. If you're paying by cash or check in full, they can be paid at the student finance office. And credit card can be paid online in full. And the fourth option for most students is going to be the payment plan. Now that'll take you to the next set of slides here. Select your term. From here it'll give you a nice breakdown. Sign up for a payment plan right here, and more of that will be covered in the financial aid video.